Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to send photos in TikTok messages. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the inbox option. Now you'll be led to the inbox interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. Simply tap on the chat where you want to send the photo. Now after that particular chat will be opened. At bottom you'll be able to see the message bar over here. In the message bar you'll be able to find the icons for camera, sticker and photo. So if you want to send the photo, simply tap on the photo icon. Now you can see over here you'll be able to send the photos. So what you have to do is simply tap on the photo that you want to send. You can select other photos as well. Select the photos according to your choice and tap on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the photo will be sent. So that is how you send photos on TikTok messages. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.